नमस्कार। भारत में इन्वेस्टर्स का पीएमएस में इन्वेस्टमेंट करने का रुझान दिन प्रतिदिन बढ़ रहा है। अगर आप फाइनेंशियल एडवाइजर हैं और अपने क्लाइंट्स को पीएमएस प्रोडक्ट्स देना चाहते हैं तो सेबी के रूल्स के अनुसार आपको NISM सर्टिफाइड होना अनिवार्य है। इस सर्टिफिकेशन के लिए आपको NISM द्वारा कंडक्ट किया गया 21A एग्जाम क्लियर करना जरूरी है। हम आपको इस एग्जाम के कुछ मॉक टेस्ट करवाएंगे। नमस्कार, मैं हूं मनीष तनेजा और आप देख रहे हैं जेड फंड्स शाला। मॉक टेस्ट शुरू करने से पहले आइए आपको NISM के पोर्टफोलियो मैनेजमेंट सर्विस डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर 21 एग्जाम के बारे में कुछ जानकारी देते हैं। ये एक 100 मार्क्स का ऑनलाइन एग्जाम के पासिंग मार्क्स 60 हैं। 60% इज व्हाट द कैंडिडेट नीड्स टू क्लियर द एग्जाम। इस एग्जाम में आपको 2 केस स्टडीज पढ़कर क्वेश्चंस आंसर करने होंगे और एग्जाम में नेगेटिव मार्किंग भी है। तो आइए शुरू करते हैं मॉक टेस्ट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, इफ देयर इज एन अनसर्टेनिटी विद रिस्पेक्ट टू द फ्यूचर पेमेंट, the investor would require return more than the nominal required rate of return. The additional component is called, options हैं alpha, risk free rate of return, risk premium या both B and C. इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर है risk premium. अगला क्वेश्चन है future value of the investment is influenced by, आंसर्स के ऑप्शंस हैं time period, rate of return, both A and B या none of the above. आंसर है both A and B. Dash represents ownership in a company that entitles its holders to participate in its profits and the right to vote on the company's affairs. Options हैं bonds, commercial papers, equity shares या all the above. इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर है equity shares. अगला क्वेश्चन है which of the following statements about speculation is false? Options हैं it is an investment without any significant analysis or thought. Speculation is based on some conjectures without evidence. Profit is the strongest motivation for speculation. And D, speculation always leads to higher returns. Answer है speculation always leads to higher returns. अगला क्वेश्चन है liquidity risk refers to, आंसर के ऑप्शंस हैं the ease with which one can convert an asset into cash, the possibility of realizing almost the entire economic worth of an asset, only A, only B, A and B. And the answer is A and B. अगला क्वेश्चन देखते हैं when a listed company issues shares to a select group of persons which is neither a right nor a public issue, then it is known as, options हैं preferential issue, private placement, private equity. आंसर है preferential issue. अगला क्वेश्चन है which of the following is essential for the public issue of a debt security? Options हैं the debt issue size should be greater than ₹5,000 crores, the debt instruments must be credit rated, the debt issuer must stand as a guarantor for the payment of principal and interest, the debt instrument should have a minimum coupon specified. Answer है the debt instrument must be credit rated. अगला क्वेश्चन है which of the following is the function of the secondary market? Provide liquidity for securities issue, provide a platform for public issues, provide information about public companies. चौथा ऑप्शन है all of the above. आंसर है all the above. Next question है the undertaking of an intermediary to buy the unsubscribed portion of an issue during the initial stages of an IPO is, options हैं hard underwriting, soft underwriting, revocable underwriting, irrevocable underwriting. Answer है hard underwriting. अगला क्वेश्चन है a trade that is squared off during the day, options हैं does not require delivery of shares, is not guaranteed by the exchange, is cancelled by the exchange, is not considered in calculating trading volumes. Answer है does not require delivery of shares. Dash industries rise and fall and very closely follow the general economic activity in comparison to other industries. इस क्वेश्चन के क्या ऑप्शंस हैं? Cyclical industries, consumer staples, defensives या financial services? आंसर है cyclical industries. अगला क्वेश्चन है under the typical assumption that a stock's dividend will grow at a constant rate, what will be the intrinsic value of the stock if D1 is ₹3, K is 9% and G is 6%? Options हैं ₹95, ₹105, ₹110 and ₹100. आंसर है ₹100. अगला क्वेश्चन है under relative valuation techniques, value of a stock is estimated based upon its current price relative to variables considered to be significant in valuation, such as earnings, cash flow, book value, all of these. इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर है all of these. Dash ratio compares the price of the stock to the earnings it generates. Options हैं PE ratio, PB ratio, price to cash flow ratio और price to sales ratio. आंसर है PE रेशियो। अगला क्वेश्चन है मार्केट रिस्क रेफर्स टू द रिस्क इन इक्विटी इन्वेस्टमेंट्स अराइजिंग ड्यू टू, ऑप्शंस हैं द प्राइस डायनामिक्स इन द मार्केट क्रिएटेड बाय वेरियस प्लेयर्स, the gap between book value and market value of an equity share, the price of dynamics created by underlying business profitability, the price dynamic to government intervention in the stock markets. आंसर है the price dynamics in the market created by various players. अगला क्वेश्चन है government securities carry practically no risk of dash and hence are called risk free or gilt edged instruments. ऑप्शंस हैं tradability, liquidity, default, negotiability. आंसर है default. Dash risk arises from the fact that income flows received from an investment at the coupon rate may not be able to earn the same interest. Options हैं reinvestment, default risk, credit risk या none of the above. Answer है reinvestment risk. The feature that allows the issuing firms to retire the bond before the maturity by paying a prescribed price is called callability, call option, putability, put option, convertibility, redemption. आंसर है callability, call option. अगला क्वेश्चन है टिपिकल पुटेबिलिटी, पुट ऑप्शन फीचर ऑफ अ बॉन्ड। ऑप्शंस हैं गिव्स द बॉन्ड होल्डर्स द ऑप्शन टू कन्वर्ट द बॉन्ड इनटू अनदर सिक्योरिटी, टिपिकली द कॉमन स्टॉक ऑफ द फर्म इशूइंग द कन्वर्टेबल बॉन्ड्स, gives the holder the right under certain circumstances to sell the bond back to the issuer, allows the issuing firm to retire the bonds before the maturity by paying a prescribed price, और चौथा ऑप्शन है allows the investors to redeem the bond. आंसर है gives the holders the right under certain circumstances to sell the bond back to the issuer. अगला क्वेश्चन है इन द निफ्टी 50 फ्यूचर्स कॉन्ट्रैक्ट द अंडरलाइंग इज द टॉप ट्रेडेड स्टॉक्स ऑफ द निफ्टी 50 इंडेक्स, द एवरेज प्राइस ऑफ द स्टॉक्स ऑफ द निफ्टी 50 इंडेक्स, द वैल्यू ऑफ द निफ्टी 50 इंडेक्स, ऑल ऑफ द अबव. आंसर है द वैल्यू ऑफ द निफ्टी 50 इंडेक्स. अगला क्वेश्चन है द काउंटर पार्टी रिस्क इन अ फ्यूचर कॉन्ट्रैक्ट इज मिटिगेटेड प्राइमरीली थ्रू collateralization by one of the parties to the contract, settlement on gross basis between the two parties, the function of the clearing corporation, and चौथा ऑप्शन है the limits on position and trading volumes. आंसर है functions of the clearing corporation. The settlement price for determining daily mark-to-market margins for a future contract is, options हैं the last traded price, the average of the high, low and closing prices, the weighted average price of the last 30 minutes of trading, the average of last 60 minutes of the trading. आंसर है weighted average price of the last 30 minutes of trading. अगला क्वेश्चन है arbitrage opportunities can exist between spot and future prices, two future prices, futures and option prices, all of the above. आंसर है all of the above. A dash is a trust that pools the savings of a number of investors who share a common financial goal. What is this dash? Options हैं custodian, depository, bank, mutual fund. आंसर है म्यूचुअल फंड. अगला क्वेश्चन है फॉलोइंग इज आर द बेनिफिट्स ऑफ इन्वेस्टिंग थ्रू म्यूचुअल फंड्स, प्रोफेशनल इन्वेस्टमेंट मैनेजमेंट, रिस्क रिडक्शन थ्रू डाइवर्सिफिकेशन, कन्वीनियंस ऑफ मेकिंग ट्रांजैक्शंस एंड रिकॉर्ड कीपिंग, और चौथा ऑप्शन है ऑल ऑफ द अबव. इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर है ऑल ऑफ द अबव. द टाइप्स ऑफ सिक्योरिटीज परचेज्ड बाय द फंड डिपेंड्स ऑन द इन्वेस्टमेंट ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ द फंड, डिसीजंस ऑफ सेबी अबाउट द फंड, डिसीजंस ऑफ आरबीआई अबाउट द फंड, डिसीजंस ऑफ द फंड एडवाइजर्स. आंसर है इन्वेस्टमेंट ऑब्जेक्टिव्स ऑफ द फंड. अगला क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. द फॉलोइंग स्कीम्स हैव द फीचर्स ऑफ कंटिन्यूअस सेल एंड परचेज ऑफ यूनिट्स एट NAV और NAV रिलेटेड प्राइसेस. इन्वेस्टर कैन एंटर एंड एग्जिट द स्कीम एनी टाइम ड्यूरिंग द लाइफ ऑफ अ फंड. द स्कीम डज नॉट हैव अ स्पेसिफिक टाइम फ्रेम. ऑप्शंस हैं ओपन एंडेड स्कीम, क्लोज्ड एंडेड स्कीम, इंटरवल स्कीम, ऑल द अबव. आंसर है ओपन एंडेड स्कीम. SEBI mutual fund regulations came in the year 1996, 1998, year 2000 or the year 1964. Answer है the year 1996. The net worth requirement to be registered as a PMS provider as per SEBI Portfolio Managers Regulation 2020 is rupees 5 crores, rupees 2 crores, rupees 50 lakhs, rupees 10 crores. Answer है rupees 5 crores. Dash is a broad outlay of the type of securities and permissible instruments to be invested in by the portfolio managers for the customer, taking into account factors specific to clients and securities. Options हैं investment approach, investment statement, investment objective, investment profile. Answer है investment approach. अगला क्वेश्चन है except for the one that provides only the dash, every portfolio manager shall appoint a custodian in respect of securities managed or administered by it. Options हैं advisory services, discretionary services, non-discretionary services, none of the above. आंसर है एडवाइजरी सर्विसेज। द फॉलोइंग इज द रिक्वायरमेंट फॉर ग्रांटिंग द सर्टिफिकेट ऑफ रजिस्ट्रेशन अंडर पोर्टफोलियो मैनेजर्स रेगुलेशन 2020। ऑप्शंस हैं एप्लीकेंट इज अ बॉडी कॉर्पोरेट, द एप्लीकेंट हैज नेसेसरी इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर लाइक adequate office space, equipment and the manpower to effectively discharge the activities of a portfolio manager. The applicant has appointed a compliance officer. और चौथा ऑप्शन है all of the above. आंसर है all of the above. Dash portfolio manager manages the funds in accordance with the direction of the client. Options हैं non-discretionary, discretionary, advisory, all of the above. आंसर है non-discretionary. अगला क्वेश्चन है द फॉलोइंग एंटिटी इज एलिजिबल टू इन्वेस्ट इन पीएमएस, प्रोप्राइटरशिप फर्म्स, एसोसिएशन ऑफ पर्संस, पार्टनरशिप फर्म्स, ऑल ऑफ द अबव। आंसर है ऑल ऑफ द अबव। अगला क्वेश्चन है द फॉलोइंग एंटिटीज कैन इन्वेस्ट इन पीएमएस, इंडिविजुअल्स, नॉन रेजिडेंट इंडियंस एज पर द आरबीआई गाइडलाइंस, हिंदू अनडिवाइडेड फैमिली, ऑल द अबव। आंसर है ऑल द अबव। द मिनिमम इन्वेस्टमेंट रिक्वायर्ड फॉर पीएमएस इन्वेस्टमेंट इज, ऑप्शंस हैं 50 लाख, 25 लाख रुपीस, 5 लाख रुपए या 1 करोड़। आंसर है 50 लाख रुपीस। Dash is the central national agency responsible for receiving, processing, analyzing and disseminating information relating to suspect financial transactions to enforcement agencies. Options हैं FIU/IND, SEBI, RBI, CBI. Answer है FIU/IND. The agreement between the portfolio manager and the client should include the following: investment objectives and the services to be provided, period of the contract and provision of early termination, if any, investment approach, areas of investment and restrictions, if any, imposed by the clients with regard to the investments in a particular company or industry. चौथा ऑप्शन है all the above. इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर है all the above. अगला क्वेश्चन है the first step in the investment process is the development of objective statement, investment policy statement, financial statement, statement of cash need. आंसर है investment policy statement. अगला क्वेश्चन है which of the following is considered to be an investment objective? Capital preservation, capital appreciation, current income, all of the above. Answer है all of the above. अगला क्वेश्चन है asset allocation is, options हैं in the process of dividing funds into asset classes, concerned with returns variability, concerned with risk associated with different assets, concerned with the relationship among investment returns. Answer है the process of dividing funds into various asset classes. अगला क्वेश्चन है dash phase is the stage when investors in their early to middle earning years attempt to accumulate assets to satisfy near-term needs. For example, children's education or down payment on a home. Options हैं accumulation, spending, gifting, consolidation. Answer है accumulation phase. अगला क्वेश्चन है which of the following is a step in the portfolio management process? Develop a policy statement, study current financial and economic conditions, construct the portfolio, or all the above. Answer है all of the above. अगला क्वेश्चन है the measure of performance which divides the portfolio's risk premium by the portfolio's beta is the Sharpe ratio, Jensen's measure, Fama measure, Trenner measure. Answer है Trenner measure. What is the expected return of the 3 stock portfolio described below? जी हाँ, आप स्क्रीन पर ये ऑप्शंस देख सकते हैं. आंसर है 12.44% या 12.22% या 12.3% या फिर 12%. The answer to this question is 12%. Sharpe's performance measure divides the portfolio's risk premium by the standard deviation of the rate of return, variance of the rate of return, slope of the fund's characteristic line or risk-free rate. Answer है standard deviation of the rate of return. Portfolio performance measure of information ratio. Options हैं adjusts portfolio risk to match benchmark risk, compares portfolio returns, expected returns under CAPM, evaluates portfolio performance on the basis of return per unit of risk, calculates average differential return per unit of variability of differential return. Answer है calculates average differential return per unit of variability of differential return. Commission received from business forms part of income from business and profession, capital gains, salary, other sources. Answer है business and profession. For a person to be qualified as a NRI, he must have stayed outside India for more than days in a previous financial year. 365 days, 280 days, 182 days या 150 days. Answer है 182 days. In respect of investments in debt securities, the foreign portfolio investors need not comply with any conditions or direction given by Reserve Bank of India as long as it is meeting the restrictions and conditions as specified by SEBI in SEBI FPI regulations. State whether true or false. Answer is false. Record of transactions to be maintained under the Prevention of Money Laundering Act includes cash transactions of the value of more than rupees 10 lakhs, 20 lakhs, 25 lakhs rupees 1 crore. Answer is rupees 10 lakhs. A foreign portfolio investor can invest in the following securities: domestic mutual fund schemes, derivatives traded on the recognized stock exchange, rupee denominated credit enhanced bonds, or all of the above. Answer है all of the above. The objective of the SEBI prohibition of insider trading regulation is to prohibit insiders from on the matters relating to insider trading. Options हैं dealing, communicating, counseling या all of the above. Answer है all of the above. The SEBI fraudulent and unfair trade practices regulation prohibit a person to directly or indirectly dash securities in a fraudulent manner. Options हैं buy, sell, deal in या all of the above. Answer है all of the above.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.